Day 143, 2023. Imagine you and your spouse decided to go for a date night and to watch a movie. And you were excited and very happy and bought your tickets. Then entered the theater, the projecting room, and you saw the room was packed, filled with motorcyclists, and there were only 2 seats left. And the motorcyclists looked masculine and with tattoos on their arms. And all of them looked at you. Will you take those 2 seats and continue watching your movie, or you will leave? That's one of the movies that I watched during our unconscious bias workshop conducted by our Chief Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Officer at our company, Marsh McLennan Agency, today. The workshop went so well, so engaging, so eye-opening. You would think, at least I would think, I was pretty open-minded. And many people would think they are very open-minded. But after learning about this unconscious bias, there were so many hidden bias in us that we may not realize. So I really think this type of education is very important. I personally feel very, very grateful to be in such a company that provides such inclusion and equity and diversity culture that supports everyone to be who we are. And at the same time, to help us to understand our blind spots so we can handle it timely and wisely. And so we don't judge people just by one aspect. We need to see things more objectively and see the person more objectively. See the person's talents more objectively. Because personally, I had the experience in the past. Because of my language, people tended to judge me for my competency. So I really highly encourage everyone to get more education in the unconscious bias. If your company hasn't done that, I highly recommend that you have this program.